100,000 subscribers on YouTube. How many people could say they crossed this milestone? It's a dream of many and it was a dream of mine, but I actually hit it. Everyone knows what happens once you cross 100K on YouTube. You get an award. It's a silver play button. So in this video, I'm gonna take you along on what happens right when you hit 100K on YouTube. From the moment I hit it, to getting verified, customizing my plaque, placing my order, to it being delivered, and finally opening the package. This whole video is my experience and emotions, and I hope it inspires many of you to continue chasing your dreams no matter what. So let's get started.
Bro, it's literally bringing tears to my eyes, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. I don't know, it's just surreal to me. It's like low-key kind of hitting me. I mean, damn. I was reciting Untouchable by NBA Youngboy. I remember I wanted for to quit so many times, but I knew this moment to come. Now is my time. Y'all can see that, bro. 100K, we did that. This is crazy. So now we gotta do the Creator Awards. Yeah, bro. Tell me now, bro. This is tough, cuz. This is tough, bro. Like, when I get this in my hands, I'm gonna go crazy, bro. Hold up, man. Nah. Tears in my eyes, man. Tears in my eyes. I'm not even capping right now. I'm smiling. Tears in my eyes, bro. So I'm just gonna bring y'all. They didn't fall again. I'm gonna bring y'all when I get it, bro. I'm about to submit. I'm about to press this button. Approve and check out. Oh my, bro. It still feels so surreal. I'm actually getting chills right now. I can't believe it. Rico, April 13th, 2024. Bro. Nah, man. Grinded over a year, hit 100K. I mean, what better way, bro? It just shows how much could change in literally 1 year. Like, I'd even go as hard as I could. No other way. I'm going all in, like NBA Youngboy said. I can't lose. I'm putting everything on the line. I dropped out of school to chase my dreams. Look at this, bro. I made this last year in school. Vision board. What's that one? The biggest one. Biggest one is YouTube. Big one of this, bro. And I got it. Damn. It doesn't feel real till I get it in my hands, bro. I don't care what this screen says, bro. Just numbers on the screen. Same thing with the bread. Just numbers on the screen. And when I first got my brand out the bank, it felt unreal too. But now it's just a piece of paper. Now it's just numbers on the screen. This is just image on the screen, bro. I'm not doing nothing till I have it in my hands. And bro, you know I'm flicking up with it on IG. So here's some of the details. I hit 10K subscribers probably around like a few days ago now. I don't know when. But they have to like check your channel and just see whatever. I got the verification though, like really quick. I got verified like within like a few hours because my channel is active, it's growing and just stuff like that. So I got that check before I got the plaque or the email. I finally got the email and it's crazy. I'm low-key a day late to it. It came yesterday, but I didn't check it. I'll see y'all when it comes. Okay, I lied, so I'm just gonna literally, bro, whatever. I'm putting Rico Ricks up, bro. Yeah. Once you place this order, it will not be possible to alter any elements. By clicking approve, you confirm that you review. Approve. What's going on? Oh, damn. All right, so Creator Awards. So I'm gonna put my email. First name, Rico. Last name, Rixo, of course. Company, Rico's Enterprise. That's not a company. Should I make that a company? I think I am. Street address, city. Okay. What the heck is VAT number, bruv? Yeah, let me fill all this in and I'll show y'all the next page. I bet. So I put everything in. You guys can't see my information, of course. I already got doxed. You guys can read that. So once I place the order, I can't make any like changes. So I mean, we're chilling. The shipping method, it's free shipping method. So this is literally free. Y'all can see it right there. It's free. So it's literally just gonna come to my door. Y'all can see it's just asking me to verify my address. Now all I have to do is place the order. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is the only way I can show you without showing my address. So place order. Confirm and place order, bro. Confirm. Pressed it. It's not working. Oh, shoot. Bro, what the heck, bro? Thank you for your order. We'll email you your confirmation with order details if you receive your confirmation within 5 minutes. Please check spam. Oh, my gosh, bro. All right, 2 to 3 weeks, bro. So I did everything that you need to get your thing, bro. So now it says 2 to 3 weeks. I'm hoping it comes sooner. This wouldn't be possible without you guys, bro. That's crazy, man. Because I remember watching the YouTubers. They say that exact line. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. I mean, it's literally true. Like, it's literally true. I know I make some pretty good content and you guys enjoy watching it. But I mean, if you didn't watch it, it wouldn't be possible. Now, people say, oh, I'm your day one. I'm your #1 fan. No. I am. Me. Yup. Who's the first one watching my videos? Who do you think watches the videos like 10 times? Me. Who's the one that's always commenting? Me. Multiple times. First. Always first for the most part. I show the most love. And that's how it's supposed to be. Because if you're not your #1 fan, who is? Bro, this is crazy, dog.
A few moments later.
All right, Ben, so I just got an email. It's currently April 17th, and I got an email that says it's gonna be delivered on April 20th. I'm getting my plaque. That's what it says, so hopefully it gets here even before that. I'm gonna be super happy if it does. Bro, crazy, man. I'm happy, man. I can't wait, bro. I'm gonna film right when I get it, bro. Alright, cuz, so today's the day, supposedly. I mean, I got an email. Let's just see. It says it's already out for delivery, so I'm just waiting. Now I'm waiting, bro. I'm low-key hyped. I can't wait for it, like, when it gets here. Super excited. I honestly cannot wait. Like, once I have it in my hand, I'm not gonna believe it. Like, damn. I mean, let's just wait now. Just heard the freaking truck. It better be that truck, bro. Not even gonna cap. I'm running outside right now. No way, cuz. No way, bro. Oh, it's UPS, bro. It's UPS, bro. Oh, shit, my heart's pounding. Not even gonna cap. Yo. What's up, dog?
TikTok famous or what?
You too.
What is that for? You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, what do you do?
I just create videos like side hustles and stuff
What's
like that.
your name or what?
Rico_Rixo. I got you, bro.
Rico what?
Rico_Rixo.
That shit up, player.
Yeah.
Rico_Rixo.
Yeah.
Get you fucking popping, huh?
Yeah, I know. Look, my heart's keep pounding right now because I got this.
That's your Rico_what?
Rixo.
How do you spell
Rico,
that?
R-I-C-O,
Uh-huh.
R-I-X-O.
R-I-X-O. For
Yeah.
sure, player. All right, G.
You too, bro.
Congrats, player.
Appreciate it, G.
Shit.
Oh. Bruv. Hold up, bro. Hold up, cuz. Bro, you see that, bro? Since a youngin'. Since a youngin', cuz. Since a youngin', bruh. I've been wanting this, bro. Since forever. Damn, bro. Why they put it on the YouTube logo, cuz? Damn. Bruv, look at that, bruv. I know y'all see that, cuz. I know y'all see that, bro. I know y'all see that, cuz. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. That's the thumbnail right there. Nah, I got. All right, cuz. Hold on. Hold on, bro. What I put my phone at? I saw him, bro. The UPS. He was even asking me, bro, cause like, bro, look at this, man. Look at this, bro. That's the thumbnail. All right, bro. Where's my knife at? Nah, bro. I swear. Someone's trying to snatch my stuff, bro. Cause look at this tape, bro. Someone was trying to snatch it, bro. On everything. Shout out to the UPS G, bro. Cause he didn't take my, bro. Look, swear, bro. They was trying to take up. They was taking a peek. I was looking at my silver play button, bro. Everything's ripped. They was looking at it, bro. But nah, bro. I got it. I was okay, like, bro. Cause I know the box says YouTube. So like, what if they take it, bro? Then I'm gonna have to like report that it was stolen, this and that, and then I'll probably have to like pay for it or something, bro. Cause I didn't pay for this, bro. YouTube sent it to me. They opened it, bro. It's ripped. Who opened my stuff, bro? Get me angry. Damn. Y'all gotta see it first, bro. I'm blocking my eyes. I can't see it. Yeah, I'm not looking at it. I promise y'all. Bro, how does it look, bro? How does it look, man? Bro, my heart's pounding. My heart's dropping. You serious? All right, bro. Y'all gonna look at it first. I can't see nothing, bro. Y'all gonna look at it. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. My heart dropped when I pulled that thing off, bro. Man, the letter covering it, bro. Do you remember your first subscriber? I was. It was me. Your 100th? Bro, I'm getting the chills. I'm not even gonna cap, bro. Or your 1,000,000th subscriber. Or 1,000 subscriber, bro. Bro, okay, hold on. Story time, y'all. Story time. Before I show you the play button. I remember, I didn't really know nothing about YouTube. I barely hit 1,000. I was gonna hit 1,000 subscribers. I thought that's all you needed to get monetized. So like, right when I hit 1,000, I was going crazy. I was like, yes, I'm gonna get paid. And then I didn't know the 4,000 hours. So that took forever, bro. I think I was at 3K when I hit that, but yeah, bro. Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. I'm sorry, bro. I don't. Because everybody was unsubscribing, bro. I was posting on my community posts, like, subscribe, bro. I need 5 more. I was snowboarding with my brother. Shout out my brother, Georgie Matthew, and my older brother, Alex. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Bro, my heart just started, I don't know, I just felt like warmth, bro. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. Can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Damn! I'm even gonna cap the lighting looking good. I look good. Yours sincerely, I don't know who signed that. Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. All right, bro. My heart drops. I haven't looked at it. We're gonna look at it together, guys. All right, ready? Bro, thick piece of paper. Yo. Oh, gosh. Get y'all, bro. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, I'm filming on my phone, bro. My SD cards are full. My phone's about to be full of storage too, bro. I need to upload these clips. What does it smell like, bro? I don't even know. But bro, I mean, it didn't feel real until I got this in my hand. Bro, one thing though, hold up, bro. I don't know why. I expected these things to be like heavy, cuz. It's 3 pounds, bro. The whole box was 3 pounds. It's really not even that like heavy, bro. But damn, cuz. Now where am I gonna put this, bro? Where am I gonna put this? Nobody could get one of these, bro. Look at it, bro. What does it say? What does it say? That's my name, bro. That's my name, cuz. Rico Rick Show. That's my name. YouTube. Presented to Rico. Oh, it's getting dirty. Nah, this mirror's tough, though. The mirror's actually tough, bro. Shout out my dog. She barking. Mimi's. Matrix did it. Lived to see it, bruv. Passed in October last year. I mean, bro, everybody on the journey. Shout out Lexi, cameraman. Shout out all my people that bought for me. Shout out my mom, my pops, for being able to keep it going. I already shouted out my brothers. Shout out my Theo, Johnny. I mean, my heart's like, hold up, cuz. Where's my stethoscope? Where's my stethoscope? No college. I'm not going to college. I got my best month financially. This relationship's going up. Health, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up, cuz. Health is going up because if you see the 6-pack, bro. Boxing's going crazy. Hold up, bro. Anybody trying to steal my pay? Anybody try to steal my play button? Bruh, shout out to UPS guys for not stealing my thing. I think they took a look, bro. They wanted to take a peek, but bruh, I'm happy I got my thing in the end. And bro, I mean, we got it, man. We got it, cuz. We got it, bro. We got it. Hold up. I gotta do the thumbnail, man. I gotta do the thumbnail. Where the thumbnail at? Hold on. Bro, the lighting ain't good again, bro. Bruh, I'm happy, cuz. Bro, this is crazy. All right, I gotta take a picture, post it in the wins at TRW. If you know, you know. And now I gotta get back to work, bro. Work don't stop. I gotta hit Millie by the end of the year, you feel me? That rhymes. I'm a rapper for real. All right, bro. Now, I'm about to send this to my mom, about to send it to my dad, about to send it to my brother. I'm posting it on my story, too. This is crazy, bro. I'm posting it on YouTube, the community post. Like, bro, it didn't feel real till I had it. The people that make the plaques, bro, can you guys send another box around it? I know it's not good for the environment. I like keeping the box, like, especially this one, bro. It's like, my heart's pounding, like, my heart's getting warm. I don't know, like, what's going on. I really don't know. But, bro, I'm happy, man. I'm getting the chills right now. I mean, it's just a stepping stone. But, again, it's an achievement. You got to celebrate these wins, bro. Got to celebrate these wins. Man, crazy. All right, I'm actually like, I don't like. It just feels like warmth or something. I can't describe, like right here specifically, bro. Like, damn, man. I don't know, man. We gotta get back to it though. Gotta log back on. Gotta log back in on the laptop. You feel me? Yeah, let's get it, bro.
So yeah, guys, I got my silver play button. Now I want to thank every single one of you that's watching this video, that supports me, that comments on all my stuff, on all the socials. Truly appreciate y'all. Like I said earlier in the video, it wouldn't be possible without you. I remember all these YouTubers saying it, but it's actually true. If you guys didn't watch me, I would be nothing. I would have nothing. And I literally used my YouTube channel to help elevate me, help just open doors that I probably didn't have. I didn't go to college, and I'm not going to college, and I get shunned upon. People look at me a different way just because I didn't. And I promise you, I'm gonna make them regret those words. I do it because I just want to prove to people that it's possible, that you don't need college to be successful. So yeah, guys, it's almost 2025. We already hit 200,000 subscribers. In 2025, we're gonna hit over 500K plus. I already know it. I'll see you guys when we cross that milli mark and we get the golden play button. That's gonna be even crazier. Now, 2025 is ours. And notice I'm saying ours. All of us gotta continue grinding, continue pushing, continue being the best version of ourselves. I hope I'm an inspiration to many of y'all. Just continue attacking it. So yeah, I'm gonna continue taking you guys along on my journey. There's so much that I have planned and there's so much that I haven't even shown you guys. So truly appreciate you for watching. You're watching it unfold. The journey, I mean, I'm enjoying it so far. So let's get it. 2025 is a takeover year. Let's continue elevating, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. See you on the next one.